What's up, and welcome back to another video, and I'm going to be showing you this very weird sound machine. So all I have to do is pull that lever and this lever. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Very weird sound.